True peace, Kens. It is August 29th, 2020, and I am back at y'all with another one. And if you're trying to stay ahead of the game, you should subscribe to Peep the Slang. Notice and return to the Human Rights Tribunal International. Say, man, that's the headline, Peep the Slang. From the American States Assembly and State Assembly members of the United States of America, all Incorporated Federation of States, notice of non-compliance, none of some set, and counterclaim. Notice to agent is notice to principals. Notice to principals is notice to agents. Number one, no American state assembly is subject to any jurisdiction held by any international tribunal. All state assemblies in these several states they populate are sovereign physical entities, and the only external performance contracts they hold are with the Pope, the Queen, and the Lord Mayor of London, not with the reign of the Heaven Society, nor any ill-informed, unjust organization, DBA, the Human Rights Tribunal International, pretending to have any authority or jurisdiction related to us. 2. No Americans and no American states are subject to any foreign law or incorporated entity tribunal operating in global jurisdiction. 3. The population of all states of the Union are composed of living people and lawful persons, not humans. So we neither address nor act upon humans, that is, humans, color of men, or more popular persons. 4. Thus, neither all states nor we, their federation, government, and international jurisdiction have imposed upon any entity, class of inhabitants, or foreign persons that could be described as humans, and we certainly owe no respect to any summons for any tribunal concerning itself with humans. 5. However, we do notice your organizations for pernicious efforts to confuse yourselves and your franchises with us and our government, including infringing upon our names. We order you to cease and desist these criminal activities, and note that inland piracy, successful or not, is a hanging offense. 6. Your crimes of infringement and acts of constructive fraud have now been exacerbated by offers of fraudulent court proceedings. Again, cease and desist. 7. The United States of America is the name of our unincorporated federation of states. Any foreign incorporated entity proposing to use our proper names for doing its own business is demonstrably a fraud, creating malicious mischief and seeking to build upon former acts of privacy carried out by foreign governments acting in breach of trust and contract. 8. It is your choice whether or not you wish to act as humans or as people, but as humans are merely things and may be bought, sold, liquidated, or traded at will. We would highly recommend that people exercise their opinion to act as people and forget about ever calling themselves humans, claiming human rights, or subjecting themselves to anything called a human rights tribunal. We certainly won't make that mistake. 9. If you continue your activities in contravention of national and international law, we will progressively prosecute your shell corporations and affiliated organizations and the individuals responsible for them.